Despite the best efforts of the Hammermill Library, sometimes we just don't have the book that you're looking for in our collections. But there's still another way for you to find the books that you need and check them out from our library. Now you can use EZborrow. EZborrow is an interlibrary loan service from Palcy, a library consortium. Palcy is a Pennsylvanian creation and has member libraries here and in neighboring states, sharing their collections on EZborrow. It's simple and easy. You just look for the books you want in EZborrow, and then you can pick them up and drop them off at the Mercyhurst Hammermill Library. To begin, just look for the EZborrow page on our website at library.mercyhurst.edu. The EZborrow page is also linked under Find in the top menu. This page has more information about EZborrow. Here you'll find a link to the EZborrow search page. From here you can search by book title, author, or other criteria. When the results come, you can click on a title for more information. When you request something, a login page appears. From the drop-down menu under Home Institution, look for Mercyhurst University and select it. Then you'll see the official Mercyhurst email login screen, unless you've already logged into your browser and it remembers you. Then you'll get this page to confirm your request. We only have one pickup location, which is the circulation desk at the Hammermill Library. When you're ready, click on Confirm Request. You should see a screen telling you that your request was sent to EZborrow. You should soon receive a confirmation email about your request. You'll also receive an email when it's time to pick up your book from the library. Present your Mercyhurst ID card at the circulation desk to receive your book. It will have a blue wrapper on it like this. Please do not remove this since it is needed for processing. As for how long you may have the book, that depends on how soon the end of the semester is coming. To return your EZborrow books, just bring them back to the library. And if you have any further questions about EZborrow and how to use it, you can ask us at the library or our library website. Thanks for listening.